Okay. So let's look at our best fruits. So our best fruits in that is hear and listen carefully to the teacher. Engage respectfully in the class. So act kindly towards everyone. L is for look after your belongings in the classroom. T is for trying your best in every activity. H is for help create a safe classroom environment. So now let's take our attendance. So do you have a absent today? Okay, very good. Wala kayong absent. So now I have a activity for you. So I have a basket. Picture of goods. So tell me what is it? So what is this? Okay, it's cereal. So this is a chicken. Okay, very good. So what is this? Your favorite is rice. Okay, rice. It is a cheese. A piece of cheese. Okay. What is this? A potato. Okay. That's correct. Potato. What is this? Your favorite is? It is a apple. Okay. What is this? Pumpkin. Okay. This is a pumpkin. What is this? A banana picture. Okay. Very good. So a banana. What is this? A meat. Okay. A meat. So what is this? A pineapple. Okay. Pineapple is good for your health. Okay. And last one is a bread. Okay, very good. A bread. So now, which food did you eat every day? Okay, rice and chicken. Okay, very good. What did you notice about this food? Okay, they are separated in the basket. So today we will learn how foods help us to stay healthy, strong, and active. Okay. Our topic for today is go. Provide energy. So this is a Go food is provide energy. For example, the rice, the bread, the corn, noodles, and sweet potato. This is the sweet potato. And why is it? Why is it important? foods gives our muscle to fuel works like run, swim, and to our brain to fuel to concentrate. Okay. So this is important because energy for movement and activity. Okay. Now let's proceed to grow foods. Grow foods is builds muscle and bones. For example, chicken, egg, milk, fish, beans, and etc. So why is it important? It is important because it builds our muscles, strong, and bones. Okay. These foods help our body to grow and keep our bones healthy, feet, and muscles stronger. So, kapag ito yung kinain naman natin na foods, it contains strong our feet and bones. So, ito yung kailangan natin para mas tumibay yung ngipin natin, yung bones, and muscle natin sa katawan. So, the next one, so let's proceed to the food. So, the food is, protect the body and immunity. Example, carrots, veggie, banana, so, these fruits gives us vitamins and minerals to maintain a good eyesight and healthy skin. So, what's the importance to us to eat these raw foods? Because it keeps the body healthy and protects from sickness. So, ito naman, ito yung kinain natin. Siyempre, yung mapaprotektahan tayo laban sa sakit kasi andito yung mga fruits and vegetables. So, gusto niyo ba ng fruits and vegetables? Okay, very good. Vegetables and fruits are important to eat. Okay. Now, why do we need to eat raw foods? Because it builds our muscle and bones stronger. Okay, very good. Why grow our glow food. So rice is glow foods or what is it? It is a grow food. So number 2 is eggs. What is that? A grow food. Okay, very good. Number 3, mango. It is a grow food. Okay, this is a fruit. Very good. The 4 is fried chicken. It is a grow food. Okay, very good. It contains meat. Okay, the 5 is carrot. It is a grow food. Okay, very good. Now we will get your notebook and copy this in your notebook. This is your assignment. So your assignment is draw your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Label the grow and glow foods in your drawing. So you will bring it tomorrow, and that's all. I think you will learn some about our discussion. Thank you for listening.